Alright, so isang mabilisang video lang. The movie review is for the movie The Odyssey, and it is Christopher Nolan's version. Base, kasi, well, I have three encounters with The Odyssey. First is with the book report when I was young, grade 3 ata yun. Siyempre at that time, di ko pa gets. Another with the version ng Epic, which is a musical type, which is napanood ko lang sa YouTube din, or na-encounter ko through my niece and my nephew. And that version is a version, a good-hearted version. Kasi iba talaga yung sa Homer na version. Medyo tragic yung kay Homer. And may pagkakaiba din dun sa version ni Christopher Nolan. And napaka-timely kasi it's them telling na, okay, we should not have started a war kind of vibes. And this is the effect of war and so on and so forth, na dapat hindi natin pinahintulutan na ituloy and so on and so forth. So, yun yung punto nung version na to. And medyo mabigat siya, or dragging rather. Dragging sobra. And para sa mga hindi gusto ng ganun na dragging na style, I don't think magugustuhan niyo yung film. Pero sa bandang dulo, bandang gitna, may mga actions na and may mga ano na and yes, it's good na. But then again, meron kasing tipo ng acting na natural lang, na para bang nanonood ka lang sa tabi, kwento ng buhay ng tao na napaka-natural na parang sila, tao pa rin sila, hindi sila actor. But there are those acting na as if you know that they are actors. You know that you're watching, yung parang halatang nag-a-act sila sa natural lang na nag-a-act sila. So, yun lang siguro yung mga comment ko. May mga part na parang hindi natural yung pagkakabigay. Pero still, I'll give it, actually, I want to give it an 8. But then, okay naman. Nandiyo ni Mama. Well, actually, we tried yung sa may Santa Lucia dito sa Davao. And okay naman. Di na ako na-expect ng ano. I should have not expected that much. Okay pa rin naman yung sinihan. Medyo madami pa improvements siguro. Kailangan walang bilihin ng popcorn kanina. So, di ako nakapag-popcorn today. Sayang. But with that aside, so far, okay naman lahat. I enjoyed the place itself. Siguro pag doon sa mas mura, mas kasi Dolby Atmos, so mas okay talaga yung surround sound niya. Comfortable naman din yung upuan, para siyang Director's Club pero sa Dalusia. And buntik na makatulog sa sinan sa sobrang komportable. Kulang na lang kumot kasi lamig. What else? The movie itself, the action is on the ending. Me somehow knowing the story is checking on ganito ganyan. May mga ibang parts na maganda yung pagkaka-deliver, maganda yung interpretation. May ibang parts na parang could have been done better. Gusto ko dun yung part ng Underworld. I will not give all details, but yung Underworld is a good one. Doon si Elliot Page. So, wala lang. Saka na doon si Jake Gyllenhaal. May mga cameos. It's a serious movie. Typical Christopher Nolan twist. Typical Christopher Nolan na parang na people are so aware of the Batman na nung hinawakan siya ni Christopher Nolan, it gave a different twist. Parang ganun din yung vibes. Mararamdaman mo yung the Dark Knight vibes dun sa film. And because it's one na sikat na literature, The Odyssey. The ending is something different. Iba yung ending ni Homer, iba yung ending ni Epic, iba din yung ending ni Christopher Nolan. Pero pasok pa rin naman siya doon. And yeah, yun na lang masasabi ko. Kakaiba. Napakaiba ng film. Siguro, isa lang sa nitpick ko, kaya hindi ko siya mabigyan ng 10. And kaya nagdalawang isip akong bibigyan ko siya ng 8. May mga parts na if hindi ka familiar sa story ni Odysseus, may mga parts na parang mapapaisip ka na, ba't ganun, nangyari? Unlike sa version ni Epic na napaliwanag nila or naipakita nila, okay, ganito pala yung rason ba't ganito nangyari. If hindi ka rin familiar sa The Odyssey, di mo or siguro magigets mo pa rin naman, pero may mga parts na hindi mo yun pala yung character na to, siya pala yung character na yan. Actually, yung sa unahan, parang, okay, si ano to. Tapos, hindi, si ano pala yan. Tapos, si ano to. Ganda yung casting ni Charlize Theron. Ganda yung casting ni Charlize Theron. Medyo naano lang ako doon sa casting ni Matt Damon. I mean, it fits, pero ito tuloy yung sabi ko nila, you know that he's acting. Because it's not natural. Tom Holland's good acting, Anne Hathaway good acting. Yung isang character doon na bula, good acting. I forgot his name. Sino ba? Robert Pattinson, okay lang din. Yung acting niya, tamang-tama sa role. I forget the other guy, yung Black American, pero somewhat good acting din. Yun lang, medyo na-off lang ako kay sa ni Matt Damon kasi hindi siya natural yung pagkakabigay. Pero sana naman. Yes, I'll give it pilit na 9/10. And yun nga, if you are a fan of the Odyssey, the literature, or even yung Greek mythology, it gave a twist. It's a good Christopher Nolan typical movie. Basta Christopher Nolan is one of the movies na talagang abangan mo, panoorin mo. Yeah, it's a good film. That's all I can say. So, ganito lang. 7 minutes na. Take care. And go na go, my God.